Welcome to this video. This video is a quick challenge on bisecting fish head. Most people, when they eat fish head, they don't want to bisect it. And in my country where I come from, in Kenya, you bisect this thing depending on which tribe you're from. So I am from that tribe where we don't joke. We don't joke with this head. You understand? We bisect fish head like nobody business. We bisect it like tomorrow no day. Okay, so that is what we are going to do right now. We are going to bisect this fish head. And in my tribe, when you are eating fish head, you use two hands. You use two hands. You have to open it like this. Open it well. Until you have gills on their own side. You have here the bone that is holding the eyes together and the nose of the fish too. You even need to eat the eyes too. This camera is not showing you guys well. You see the way there's some meat hiding? If you know you're those people that buy fish, then you only eat the fish and you throw away the head. That's not today that you are missing out. Good food is good. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider hitting that red, subscribing to this channel, like this video, share, and yeah, that is just it, guys. Thank you so much for coming. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.